My name's Colton Russell. I am an electrical engineering major here at Wichita State. The department requires every electrical engineering computer science student to have a senior project. So at the beginning of this year, we kind of matched up with a couple other people in our group, and we kind of went through the brainstorming process. And one of the things that immediately came to mind was a self-cooking grill. So that was one thing that we kind of discussed. But really, we were looking for something that was practical use, but something that we could see other people using in their actually daily lives. The fact that nothing on the market right now kind of matches what we're doing with it excites me kind of for the future. So I'm really looking forward to kind of see what the senior showcase brings and kind of hear some feedback from industry professionals. My senior year of high school, I actually did a job shadow where I went to a local firm and I sat down with a mechanical engineer. He started showing me some of the work he did, and I realized mechanical engineering wasn't for me when I kind of started falling asleep during what he was saying. So I decided to go into electrical engineering. My first internship was at a small utility company up in Kansas City, so in their power delivery department. So I got on there. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my electrical engineering degree yet, but really that first internship really showed me how cool power is, and kind of the power field and power distribution, you know, something that we use every single day in our lives that people take for granted, but it's so instrumental in your life. So my second internship was with Hewitt Engineering. So it was a large consulting firm. They do a lot of construction work, an EPC firm. You engineer, procure, construct. I got a lot of hands-on experience there, and then I ended up with Burns McDonnell, my full-time employer now after graduation. So they've always been the ones that I've had my eyes on as like a dream company, just because, you know, I grew up in the Kansas City area. They're so well known throughout the Kansas City area. So I did an internship with them, and that was really what cemented my decision that I chose the right major. You know, being able to work on multi-million-dollar projects that touch millions of lives every single day was something that, you know, when I went to work, I was proud of doing. So getting that hands-on real-world learning experience, I think, was really instrumental with that. But, you know, just being able to see something outside of the textbook is something that was really big for me as an internship. So, you know, I learned a lot of different things from textbooks, from teachers, but some of my most important learning experiences came from on the site, in the field experience. I've gained a lot from the College of Engineering itself, but everything I've gained is not because of the College of Engineering. You know, my involvement outside, whether that's in the admissions office or being part of student organizations, I think it's just as important, if not more important, than just being solely involved in your academic college. So reaching out, forming those relationships with people that are not engineers, it's almost just as important as forming those relationships with people that are engineers. So.